Welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are doing an old classic. We're doing a Dirty Shirley Amoretti style using Amoretti sugar-free lime syrup and Amoretti red sour cherry craft puree. Let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is 3 pumps Amoretti sugar-free lime syrup, 2 pumps of red sour cherry craft puree. We're gonna do equal parts, 1 ounce each of limoncello and cherry liqueur, 1.5 ounces of vodka, ice, shake it up, let's ice it up. Top it off with a little fizz. And of course it is not a Dirty Shirley without a cherry on top. So cheers to a classic with the Amoretti twist. Thank you for watching. Show us how you Amoretti by tagging us on social media every time you use our products. Stay up to date on all of our recipes by tapping on the bell below. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. Goodbye.